In this practice, we're going to sit down as a family and meditate together. So find a comfortable spot wherever you are and gently close your eyes. Do your best to keep your eyes closed for these next few minutes until the end of this meditation. Together, take a deep breath in through the nose, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax even more. Take one more deep breath in, and this time as you exhale, relax completely into it and let go of all of your efforts. Just let your breath flow naturally in and out of your nose. If your breath is deep, let it be deep. If it's shallow, let it be shallow. It's all good. Let your breath do what it wants and just relax into it. Feel yourself relaxing a little bit more with each breath you take. As you breathe, thoughts are going to come up. So understand that this isn't a problem. When we sit and practice meditation, we aren't trying to get rid of our thoughts. We're learning how to pay attention to them. So as your thoughts come up, imagine they're clouds passing by. Imagine you're sitting together at a park, watching the clouds pass by together. Some clouds may look nice and relaxing, and some may look dark and stormy. But they're all just clouds, and if you let them, they'll pass right on by. So don't be afraid of any thoughts that come up. Don't run away from them. Simply watch them come and go. And remember that your family is right here with you. Continue to sit together and watch these clouds pass by. Notice how many thoughts are passing by as you start to pay attention. Our mind is always thinking, but we're usually not paying attention to it. And because of this, we can feel angry or sad or worried without really knowing why. This happens when we grab onto a thought and make it much more important than it really is. But if we can see our thoughts like they're clouds and just let them pass by, we can feel at peace, knowing that they're just thoughts. Continue watching your thoughts come and go together, feeling a sense of peace as you watch them pass by. Notice how the thoughts that come up all have to do with something that happened in the past or something that may happen in the future. When we spend too much time thinking about the past, we can feel sad or angry. And when we spend too much time thinking about the future, we can feel worried or scared. But when we can be here in this moment, we can feel peace and joy. No matter how many clouds are in the sky, the sun is always shining behind them. So let's start taking some deep breaths together. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, present moment. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, wonderful moment. And really feel these words in your heart, feeling the peace of this moment as you sit together as a family. Present moment, wonderful moment. Now take a few moments to feel grateful for your family. The people around you right now love you more than anyone else. There may be times where we fight or disagree, but we can always come back and remember that we're family and that we will always have each other's backs, no matter what. Feel the love you have for your family and the love that they have for you. And breathe deeply into your heart, really feeling so grateful for the people around you right now. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to care for your minds and find some peace in this moment together. Take this peace and gratitude with you as you gently open your eyes and smile.